Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes keyboard lagging or slow response in Windows. Fix keyboard delay instantly. First method is change keyboard properties. Second method is change accessibility option. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is uninstall and reinstall keyboard device. Fifth method is install optional updates. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.